Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm back in one of the RX400 hybrids. A problem I had on the other one, and also coming on this, I see, it's not all the lights are shining up. Especially see the stereo. This one and also the other one, there's a little disconnecting of the bulbs. So it's not shining, lighting up in the darkness as it should here. Also, I think it was the same problem here as on the other one, but here this one is lighting up. But let's just pick these things to parts and see. Take out the stereo, take out this one and just check it and see if you have to change bulbs. Just a regular stereo out job. Let's see, I think it's easy. Let's see if we can take out the system here and take out the radio. Remove the gear shifter with these. In with this, take it down to B. Take off the key. Here it should be in opening, as I remember. There, hanging by 4. I have made a video about changing the light bulb in here, so I can try to link in that. Now I just have to get in further up. Up here is just hanging a lipstick. There. And in here, just turn off everything. Kind of typical Toyota, Lexus and things is could be 10 millimeters. See how long 10 millimeter. There. There, 10 millimeters. Yeah, the 10 millimeter too here, but it's some 10 millimeter far up behind here. That's supposed to be in the back end. Yeah. There a screw was falling down in there. Try to get the screw out. There, the same type of screw, exactly the same type. to move that one away. There. And the light bulbs in those units have to be right inside here somewhere. But then I have to find out how to open that. That maybe be best to just remove the whole stereo. And then you see it's a lot of multi-connectors. Well, the nice thing with them is you can't put them wrong again. It's just they're different. 3 different types. There, stereo is out. Now I have one screw missing down here. Yeah, I was seeing the screw lying far down here. In the bottom, but I have a magnetic pole. There. There's no problem. Magnetic and grabber. Tools like this is very useful, and most of the time for an okay price. Yeah. At least I got it out. So I can just make the first video about how to take off the stereo. Then we can try to make a video about how to get these lights to work again. That's a video number 2 in a little small series about this stereo. And I already have a video about how to change or get this light bulb to work. And I have a video about how to get the shifter knob light bulb to work or change. So we start to have a lot of videos. And it's going to be a lot more because I have a lot of other difficulties with this RX. So, and it's 2 RX now, so. But they're going to be nice cars. The other one was getting to be okay. This one I think is going to be okay too. Just need some love and work. Please come back, please like the video, please start subscribing and put comments if there's some ideas you think I could do to the RX, or